Bank of America earned more money than analysts expected in the latest quarter, but the stock tumbled almost 5% in Wednesday's trade. Liling Tan reports.
Bank of America may have swung back into the black from a year ago, but that has less to do with a stellar performance this quarter than a very bad one the same time last year, when it took a big hit from soured mortgages. So despite B of A's $2.5 billion profit, America's second largest bank didn't make that much money, according to Dan Alpert of Westwood Capital.
They're not earning a lot of money at the top line, meaning they're not collecting as much in interest payments as they once were. Some of that is obviously due to a reduction in indices, interest indices. But others is just a very difficult lending environment.
Which could be said for the entire banking sector, thanks in large part to an uncertain economic climate that continues to hurt the average American.
How is Bank of America doing relative to the average American? Well, it's about right, and about on par, right? Not so well, barely keeping their head above water. And I think it's actually a very good comparison, because that's pretty much what you can say about the American people.
And like many Americans, the bank is watching its spending very closely. During the past quarter, B of A slashed non-interest expenses by 26% to $17 billion and cut more than 12,000 jobs. But Bank of America didn't just slash its way back to good health. Increased business had something to do with it too. B of A got a big boost from an 81% jump in mortgage refinancings.
However, mortgage-related claims left over from the bank's takeover of mortgage lender Countrywide are still a concern. They have been dragging down the bank's recovery, and they continue to spike. But despite those claims, many observers say Bank of America is on the right track as it cleans up its balance sheet and focuses on its core businesses in consumer and wealth management. Liling Tan, CCTV, New York.